What's up, world? It's your girl, Miss Spirit. Ting. Welcome back to Big Spirit Productions. And today I am going to tell you guys why I've been washing my hair more, retwisting less, and then give you a few examples of some styles you can do if you're on the same mission to keep your hair clean but not stressed out. See you there. Now I know it's been a goddamn minute. It's been a goddamn minute since I've been on here. What up, family? Hey, hello, YouTube. The month of August has been crazy. So I'm going to talk to you all about why I have been washing my hair more, retwisting less, and some of the styles that have been helping me to accomplish cute looks without retwist. So first things first, let me show you my head. It just came out of Bantu knots, and I need to style my hair up so that I can go to the studio tonight, baby. But I want to give you a quick little hair update and talk to you. So my hair has a little bit of remaining curls from Bantu knots. They got kind of messed up today when I went for a run. But Bantu knots were like my most loved looks on this mission that I've been on to wash my hair more and retwist less. Why, Spirit? Why, girl? Because I've been getting in the pool, baby. I've been getting in the ocean, baby. Said I've been getting in the pool, baby. And I've been getting in the ocean. I've been getting in the ocean and the pool this summer. I've been hanging out. I went to Mexico. I was down in the underground cenotes. Vlog coming soon. But basically, I have been taking my hair in the water. And because of that, that is forcing me to want to wash my hair more. Chlorine can be very drying on locks. Water can be drying in general, salt water. So every time you have an encounter or an experience that you are going swimming with your locks, you want to wash it out. And so because of this is forcing me to wash my hair more. But I am the kind of person that after washing my hair, I usually like to retwist. And being that I've been washing my hair so frequently, I don't want to retwist as much because I am not trying to pull my roots out. I ain't trying to pull the edges. I ain't trying to have no thinning. I ain't trying to have not a problem, not nothing going on. So because of this, I have forced myself to look for styles that I can do without retwisting my hair. And my 3 ways that I have come up with have been Bantu knots, braids, and 2-strand twists. Now, what these looks do is allow me to create some curl in my head, so that way it kind of disguises the roots that have been untwisted. So by just putting the Bantu knots allows my hair to rest, the twists allow my hair to rest, the braids allow my hair to rest, and then when I actually take those styles out, my hair just looks so moisturized and full and voluminous. I'm gonna make sure to put some pictures in here as well so you can just see what the hell I'm talking about. But it makes my hair look so full and voluminous. And so those are the ways that I've been able to kind of make sure my hair stays clean and is not taking on too much chlorine damage, but then also make sure my hair stays thick and is not taking on too much manipulation by me always having my hands in my hair and always retwisting. So those are gonna be my top 3 ways that you can style your hair without retwisting it. Okay, so if you give me a second, I will put together a little slideshow and you can watch what I did with the braids and how I turned that into a cute look, what I did with the 2-strand twist and how I turned those into cute looks as well. And then finally, I'll put the Bantu knots and the 2 styles that I rocked with my Bantus. And this is the 3rd style that I'm coming up with you now. Stay on the line, Gina, stay on the line. Okay, and I just gave that ponytail just a once through, which means it's not going to be very tight, but that's fine. And I'm coming in with a cleaned up version of the same look that I had when you saw me get on the video. I feel like that was gonna be cute. I love it. I like these little old school pinup looks. So this is my fourth day post taking out my bantus. And so this is a style that I think is good. Okay, perfect. Yes, baby, yes.